And as always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Rockoff Johnson here with another video. And I am extremely excited right now because I am here at Graffiti Alley. You guys can hear the music. We've been here plenty of times here before doing all kinds of Baltimore club dance stuff. But you see that over there? That is a projector. Well, that's a screen and there's a projector there. And that projector is there because Dark City, which is a documentary about Baltimore club music and Baltimore club dance, debuts on Netflix today. That's right, at the time that this video goes up, it is now live on Netflix and everything. And here is the little premiere for it. I am extremely excited to be here. No one's here yet or anything. They're just obviously gonna wait until it gets a little dark to start it and everything. But that's why I'm here. People are gonna be coming here. They're gonna have a whole Baltimore club dance session here and all that kind of stuff. I don't know how long I'm gonna necessarily be here, but I did want to bring you guys here with me since this is such a monumental thing, not only for my city, but to me personally, having friends, a lot of friends actually that I grew up with and danced with, be in this documentary. I'm not in this documentary at all. Although I did do Baltimore club dancing back in the day, I'm not in this, so this is by no means any kind of self-promotion. Definitely go check out all of the dancers that you guys see in the video. I'll pop up some of their Instagrams here now. But again, that's not even all the dancers in here, so make sure you guys check out Be More Than Dance. Make sure you guys check out Baltimore club dance videos just to get all the action on all this dancing stuff if you guys want even more of an outlook on it than what I'm giving you. Okay, that's enough of me fangirling about this great community here called the Baltimore club dance community. And let's go ahead and get to the video. But first, let's push our problems to the side. That's right. Positive energy from here on out.
Real quick, guys, I keep telling y'all to follow me on Instagram. Y'all be in on all these lives if you follow me, so make sure you do.
I was down Cross Street Market, trying to find some street. Little white lady started looking at me. I try to keep it cool, I try to keep it straight. Then all of a sudden started rocking in the place. I was rocking for no reason, rocking for no reason. Got the rocking for no reason, rocking for no reason. I was dancing for no reason, dancing for no reason. Got the dancing for no reason. Come on,
dancing
come on,
for
come
no
on.
reason.
Hey, Baltimore.
What's up with you, Whoa?
Hey,
Good, man.
Now step forward and step. Let me see you try heel. Yeah. Now take it back. Let me see you try heel. Yeah. Now take it back. Let me shake off. Let me see you rock off. Rock off. Shake off. Shake off. Let me see you rock off. Rock off. Shake off. Shake off. Let me see you rock off. Rock off. Shake off. Shake off.
Turn head, side cheeks, buzz, buzz, sexy walk, heel toe, foot, run, crazy leg, rock. Turn head, side cheeks. This is a Tonyo exclusive.
Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna go ahead and just enjoy my time here. I never wanted this video to be extremely long. I mainly wanted to use this just to promote the whole Dark City documentary on my YouTube channel, because of course, as you guys know, the Baltimore Club Dance community means so much to me. If you guys want to see a video of me just like filming all of the main filming locations from the documentary, let me know down in the comments, because I will definitely do that for you guys if you want. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Make sure you get the merch. Merch link is down in the description below. And as always guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day.
Let me see you kick right, now kick left, now step forward, now step back. Kick right, now kick left, now step forward, now step back. Let me see you try heel, yeah, now take it back, let me see you try heel, yeah, now take it back, let me see you kick right, now kick left, now step forward, now step back.
What is a car enthusiast? An individual that loves anything to do with cars and its counterparts, and one who can talk for hours about cars and not get tired of it. Sure, in a nutshell, I guess that's what being a car enthusiast is. But in all honesty, a car enthusiast is so much more than that. This is honestly gonna sound really cliche and shit, but being a car enthusiast, it's like having a family. Sure, we don't always get along. A lot of us are into our own things sometimes. But overall, we all share a love for one thing: cars.